First on 5, a 70-year-old woman in the Crichton community is trying to figure out her next move after a tree fell on her house during Hurricane Nate. And today we learned it could have been a whole lot worse because she almost decided to stay. News 5's Cameron Edgeworth is live with her message to others about keeping safe during a storm. Cameron?
Roseanne, that's right, and those strong winds from Hurricane Nate blew this huge tree on top of Avon Cruz' home here at the corner of Elsmore and Mobile Street. You can just see the extensive damage. To Avon Cruz, her home is much more than a place to live.
And I had just started trying to get it fixed back up.
Cruz says the home belonged to her late aunt and is full of memories. But her daughter, Donna Plattenberg, did not want her mother to stay alone.
So we were concerned with her being here and the power outages. And on Friday, we were trying to get her to come stay with myself and my sister, but she didn't want to.
The damage was much worse than power outages.
See, this is her bedroom where she sleeps, and we got as much furniture out as we could, but you see, you can see the sunlight, the tree limbs coming in.
The tree fell through the roof, causing part of it to cave in. If Cruz were staying in her home, the situation could have been much worse.
Well, if I hadn't stayed 9 times out of 10, I'd probably be dead by now.
Now she has a message to other people her age who live alone and want to try and ride out a storm.
Don't take chances. Get out while you can, because you never know. Tomorrow's not promised. Today's not promised. So if you see that storm coming, swallow that pride and move on.
Now, Cruz does not know how she is going to pay to fix all this extensive damage to her home. She doesn't have home insurance, but people in the community and her neighbors have chipped in already. You see this big pile here. They've been cutting down limbs and removing debris, and they started this pile right here. But there is still a lot of work that has to be done. Reporting in Mobile, Cameron Edgeworth, News 5.